welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels on this Bali series. I've now made it to Sidemen. I was a little bit too tired to film and sorting everything out and packing and then going and having some food and meeting Zane just before that I left. Yeah, so I'm here now in my hotel room. I'm gonna have a little show around for you and then possibly go out for a little walk, but nothing too much today because I'm tired and I'm ready for bed. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and I'll spin you around and show you the room. It's actually like quite a big room, lots of light, the aircon, bed and a little getting ready station with a plug next to it. Amazing. Let's go and have a see in the bathroom. Ah, big shower head. Perfect. Oh, it's actually really big. Cute. And then the best part, give you a swipe through my view. I walk out here. And what a view to wake up to. Absolutely stunning. What's around here? Oh, my balcony goes all the way up there as well. Cute. Wow, and little shutters I can close to keep the sun out.
But truth can be a bitter pill. Ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like the river flows, life will take you where you need to go.
So I'm gonna head on out now and have a little explore of Sidemen. Just a chill, a little walk around to get a feel for this place and then have a proper day out tomorrow.
That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. Ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you.
And I'm now back at the room. So I sat at that little bar and had a little drink with that beautiful view, but I just thought I just want to lay, chill, I'll get a bit of editing done and relax and then yeah, hopefully go out and explore properly tomorrow. So I shall catch you in the morning. Good morning, and my plan today is to go and drop some laundry off and then have a little explore around and find some beautiful places to capture. And I've now made it to Gembleng Waterfall. I've got to give you a spin around, but these stairs the whole way up look like they're going to be an absolute killer. So let me give you a spin, but it looks so pretty so far already.
This spot is truly a hidden gem tucked away in the lush Sidemen region. Known for its beautiful setting and natural pools, Gembleng offers an amazing spot for a refreshing dip while surrounded by incredible jungle views. The hike up is steep, but so worth it. As you reach each level, the views just keep getting better and better. This is one of those waterfalls that hasn't been taken over by crowds yet, so it's a peaceful escape from Bali's busiest sites. If you're looking for a natural beauty off the beaten path, definitely add Gembleng Waterfall to your Bali list.
So I'm now on my way through this lovely little scenic walk to Aya. I don't really have any idea what this is apart from it looked really pretty on the pictures. So yeah, we'll have a little walk around and have a see how this one is. I probably won't fly the drone up here. It seems like it's all quite sheltered over and a lot of trees, but hopefully it's another great location. I'm presuming it will be because I'm in Bali.
Something's in the air, I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky.
So it was really, really nice there, and the man that I met was saying that he's turning it into a restaurant overlooking the rice fields, and is going to call it the Rice Field Club. So yeah, he thinks that's going to be ready in around December. So hopefully it is, and it looks really good.
Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky.
Honestly, these stairs don't seem to end, literally keep going.
This stunning waterfall in Bali is famous for its unique setting inside a cave where the sunlight streams down at just the right angle, creating a breathtaking natural light show. After a short trek through the lush jungle and a few rocky steps, you'll reach this hidden gem where the water cascades down in a misty, magical pool. It's one of Bali's most iconic spots, offering both tranquility and stunning views for an unforgettable experience. If you're into nature and photography, Tukad is a must visit.
Dark in the land of idols that all fall apart. When the darkness crumbles from the mighty sound of a voice that calls us until we're fine.
So I'm all freshened up and I'm gonna head out and have some food. I'm only gonna be out for an hour or so, so I decided to wear the outfit that I'm gonna wear tomorrow for the full day out that I booked with a driver. Super excited about that, but yeah, gonna head out and grab some food. It's been an amazing day. I want to say a massive thank you to Jillal for taking me out and showing me all those amazing places and helping with capturing pictures and videos. It's been an incredible day.
We're fighting for our only hope, our only hope.
That food was absolutely delicious. Like, it was so tasty and so cheap. It was only 60,000. Like, oh, I've been worried. I've been here about a week and I've been staying away from Bali food because I've got like a really, really weak, pathetic stomach, and usually like English food doesn't even agree with me, but I'm so glad that I tried that because it was absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna chill and do a bit of editing now and then go to sleep because I've got another early start tomorrow. I'm getting picked up at 4:30 and we're going for a full day exploring with my driver that I've hired for the day, and I can't wait. I've got some amazing things planned. Honestly, yeah, I'm loving it so much, but I shall catch you in the morning.
The famous Gate of Heaven in Bali is located in Lembungang Temple. It's known for its iconic view, and while you may have to queue for a long time, arriving early gives you the best chance of capturing that perfect shot and taking in the temple's calm, sacred atmosphere without having to wait ages. It's one of Bali's oldest and most significant temples, and it is part of a series of temples along the mountainside. It's a must-see for anyone wanting to mix spirituality, culture, and unforgettable scenery.
So I definitely recommend going early in the morning. We got here about 6.
Yes.
It was about an hour to wait for the photos, where if you come in the afternoon you could be waiting like 3, 4, maybe even 5 hours for the photo, so definitely get here early. We've now arrived at Lahangan Sweet, which is about a 5-minute drive down the road, and we're going to take one of the yellow Jeep jockeys and go up towards the top. So we got to the top. The journey up here was stunning, but look at the view as well behind, like absolutely incredible. I'll give you a spin round so you can see properly. So we're now back at the car from Lahangan Sweet, and it was so nice. It cost a total of 270,000, but that was for entry and the Jeep ride up there. There was loads to do, and the drone footage was stunning. So up next, we're going to
Tirta Gangga Waterfalls.
Perfect.
Okay, let's go.
Because I could not pronounce that. I shall catch you soon.
Tirta Gangga in Bali is a historic water palace built by the royal family in 1946. It is a beautiful blend of Balinese and Dutch architecture surrounded by lush gardens, fountains and koi-filled pools. Known as the Water of Ganges, this spot has a sacred meaning and offers a peaceful escape into nature. Walking across the stepping stones in the water feels like stepping back in time. Definitely a must visit for anyone looking to experience Bali's royal heritage and scenic beauty.
So we made it to the parking of Jagasatru Waterfall, and what a beautiful view it is. Like, if I spin around this way as well, like, whoop, up there, oh, absolutely stunning. Bali is absolutely incredible. Like, what an amazing day. So currently walking down these stairs, and there's absolutely tons, like, it doesn't stop, like, I can hear the waterfall, I just can't see it yet, and these stairs keep going. And I made it to the waterfall, and what I can tell you is it is absolutely stunning, and I am the only person here. Like, how incredible is it to have this to myself? So now it's time to make the horrific, God knows how many steps, all the way back up. It's going to take me a while, so I'll catch you very soon. And I've just got back to the room, changed my t-shirt because I was sweating buckets. But what an absolutely amazing day. I want to say a massive thank you to Yogi for the driving and being my little tour guide for the day. You were amazing, and if you want to find someone really good, expert knowledge, really friendly, good driver, takes you to amazing places, so friendly, then check him out. I'll be leaving all of his details to find him, to be able to book him for yourself in Bali, down in the description below. Freshened myself up, and the plan now is I'm going to pop downstairs because there is a silver jewellery making class down there that I think would be really cool and really interesting to do and take part of. I think it's it's 300,000, I believe. I will update down here if it's wrong. But yeah, it looks cool. I was wanting to do one in Canggu and Ubud, but I thought here would be a little bit better, more chill vibes. And so yeah, I'm gonna head down and I will catch you soon. So slight change of plan. My stomach is grumbling like crazy and I've realised I've not eaten anything today, so I've got to go up the top, grab some food, have a little bit of a chill. I spoke to the guy down at the jewellery making place and we can just pop in, so yeah, I'm gonna grab some food and then go. So I've now got a very full stomach and that food was absolutely gorgeous and only 80,000 with the drink. Like, just can't complain at all. So I'm gonna go chill in my room with the aircon and cool down a bit because it's so hot. And then I'm gonna be meeting Kim and Lisa because I think they're gonna be joining to do the jewellery making class. So yeah, it's gonna be good.
This is the silver jewellery class at Macorlee, Sidemen, Bali. The team here are incredibly skilled and knowledgeable, guiding us through every step of creating our own unique silver rings from scratch. For only 300,000, which was around £15, this amazing experience is fantastic and a bargain and a perfect way to bring home a meaningful handcrafted souvenir. I highly recommend them because this class is for anyone, and when you're visiting Bali and wanting to be creative, have a hands-on experience with these local artists.
So the ring making is done. It was so fun and quite fascinating and really interesting as well. So I'll link all of their profiles, accounts, everything where you can find them in Sidemen down in the description. Make sure you check them out because they were all so friendly as well and it was a great laugh. But now I think it's time for some cocktails. And that is going to bring the Sidemen vlog to an end, and what an amazing time it's been. I really needed somewhere quiet and chill just to relax a bit after the busy environments from Canggu and Ubud. Nice and settled, ready to head on to my next location, which is the Gili Islands, which I can't wait for. I'm so excited. And yeah, Sidemen has been amazing, so chilled, met amazing people, went to amazing places. The waterfall that I got on my own was incredible, the ring making class, and a massive shout out to Yogi, who you'll find all of his links, etc. ways to contact him in the description below if you want to hire him as your driver. I highly recommend him. He was amazing, so much fun with so much knowledge, absolutely a great guy. So I'm going to pack and get all my stuff sorted, ready to move on to the next location. But I hope you've enjoyed today's video, this week's video. If you have, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post, because the Gili Islands are coming next week. I'm so excited. So yeah, keep exploring the world one footprint at a time, and until next week, adios.